secret canyon floor. Bluebell steps up and I am locking the door. Two spirits bound by blood, bone and iron will, standing on the precipice where the wind goes still. They call us dangerous, they call us the wild, but in your eyes, Bluebell, the tempest is mild. Our music is in song, it's hunted and caught, a soul bond deeper than the battles we fought. You're dancing with wolves in the violet light. Badwolf and Bluebell reclaiming the night. Our strength is the rhythm, our love is the fire. Feel the ground tremble under paws of steel. This is the only truth that we both feel. Your fur against mine in the twilight mist, a passion too savage to ever resist. We howl to the cadence of the beating drum, deaf to the world, blind to what's to come. They hear our song and they shake with fear, but it's just the music of two souls held near.